windy today.
Well, at least this one is open.
Yeah. Lemon caves. So there must be caves here. You need to wear a mask. So we're going to the cave. Ah, this is the cave.
Yeah.
Oh, so we already see it.
Yeah.
This is how big the house is. So it's at least it's bigger than my small camper. Right? If I'm moving to a house, I'll just buy a smaller one. It's a lot cheaper probably to
It was
maintain.
like 3 of your cars, huh?
Yeah. Welcome to our small house, tiny home. Tiny home for us. See? It's already big.
It is.
After sleeping in the camper, this is like a mansion. It's an early model. So this is what they use.
A pretty nice motel.
Mhm. Oh, so they use it as a hotel. So that's the guy, Absalom Lehman. Is it Lehman or Lehman?
I think it's Lehman.
Lehman, okay.
I could be wrong, but... Huh.
I just say Lehman or Lehman.
Yeah, I didn't even know this place had caves.
So we discovered the cave and then we went inside. I've been to those little caves when I was in the Philippines.
Yeah.
It's disconcerting when you go in because it's dark. You don't know if you're going this way or that
Oh.
way. You need to have a very good light.
Yeah.
If you just use a torch or a candle,
Yeah.
it's so hard to move
I
around.
bet.
Okay, now going to the hike. We're hiking today.
Ah, you.
It's a tree. I wish they have a lot of this in the free campgrounds.
Yeah.
You need
For
shade.
some shade.
Yeah.
At least yours, you have a cover. At mine, up at the top, there wasn't any cover,
Oh,
so
okay.
again, it would be very hot.
Yes. That's the one.
I think so, yeah.
Ooh. Smell like it.
Doesn't really smell like it.
It's probably just a regular. Oh yeah, it's like nothing. Nice walk on the trail.
Yeah, we got some shade.
Shade. And the temperature is very good. It's only
Yes.
probably 70 degrees.
Yeah.
And the breeze is nice. And we're still at the Great Basin National Monument or National Park.
Prickly pear.
Here.
I don't see it though. I don't think that's it.
Maybe it died already.
Maybe it died or they took it.
Somebody got pricked with it.
Huh.
Maybe it's seasonal.
Maybe,
Or maybe this one. Is it this one?
oh,
It looks like
maybe
there's a
that's
lot of-
it. Yeah. Good eye. Yep.
Is it? It's the cactus. It's a cactus then.
Yeah.
I think they can eat it, right?
Yeah.
It's a pear.
Yeah.
Irrigation ditch. So they build it using wood.
Yeah.
Wood and rubber. You can take a closer look. Just have to jump. It's for fun or not, you have to go through. If you see a rock, you have to climb it. So this is the ditch he made. That's a lot of hard work. A lot of wood and nail. So, climb the rock. Should have done this earlier. I switch on my camera
Oh, cool.
and you can look down, and then sometimes you will see the mountainside,
Yeah.
which is also good. Nice background.
Yeah. Here's some more of the cactus.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Small thing. What are these ones? Moss?
Huh, yeah, moss. Yeah.
Ah, you can see the mountain there. The snow-covered mountain.
Oh, yeah.
So you can make this into cloth, rope, or arrows. So this tree or shrub, what do you call this small tree? Shrubs?
I guess, yeah, maybe shrub.
It's beautiful. I think that's the road we took going up the mountain, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you can see the road there, or not. It's too far.
I think
Looks
it
like-
is. Yeah, I think it is.
He said to use drone. Here's my drone.
Do you have a drone or no?
No.
No, that would be cool.
Yeah. That's gonna be another space I need.
Yeah, that's what your thing is, space, huh?
Space, yeah. I need to get rid of my stuff. So when I go home to the Philippines, I'll probably bring most of the clothes
Right.
and leave it there. Then I'll have more space.
Yeah. It's really pretty.
You mean
On the
branches?
branch. Yeah.
what are those? Are those like lichens or
I think so, yes.
moss?
Yeah, I think the lichens. Oh, really pretty.
Is it left or right? Probably just mahogany. Mountain mahogany. So that's the one.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's a big one.
See the snow-covered mountain. The road climbing up the mountain. There's a car.
So where told you all the mountains?
We do. Oh, okay. This is the National Park Service. Mount Moria. Out there. Mount Moria. Low Ridge Glacial Origin. Then Notch Peak Valley over there. That is it. House finish and horizon. Okay. Burbank Hills. This is the streets. There's the Wheeler Peak we climbed earlier. 13,000 feet at the top, so we didn't way up.
Way up there.
We got only up to 10,000 feet. That's the mountain. Then beside it is Cosmo Doyan. Then here we got South Snake Range. It's way out there behind us. And then there's a regular snake. Regular snake range. Okay, no drone footage. But that's the best you can see. So everything is cool here. Nice views. It's like an observation deck. with the representation of the mountains. So we got you a full tour of this national park, which is really cool. And all that thanks to Tina! Ta-da!